Well, we are talking about the heat and looking outside here, lots of high temperatures around the Southland today and some parts in the 90s, but will anybody reach triple digits? Let's check in with our meteorologist, Paul Deanno, now with your next weather forecast. Paul, will anyone hit the triple digits
today?
I think
we got a couple spots. The Woodland Hills always seem right around Pierce College, which is where the temperature's taken, always is one of our hot spots. Van Nuys may hit 100 degrees. Chino on our map, 101. So a few spots, although most of us can't tell the difference between 99, 100, 101. It's going to be hot everywhere. Burbank, 95 today. Downtown Los Angeles, 95. Santa Clarita, good afternoon to you. Your high today, 98. You'll be almost as hot this weekend. Fullerton, 93. A little bit of relief at the beach. Some of our beach towns will stay in the 70s, especially our west-facing beaches like Laguna Beach, 77 degrees. Malibu, 85. Some of our warmest beach locations today, back to the upper 80s. If you can't make it to the beach today, I know you got work, kids got school. It's tough to get over. Saturday and Sunday looking just as good, perhaps even a little bit more comfortable down to the lower 80s over the weekend, but 80s nonetheless. Your next weather headlines. Today is day 2 of a 3-day heat event. Things begin to cool down on Sunday, but today and tomorrow we're going to be plenty hot, still warm at the beach. For most of us, the hottest day is today. Long Beach, 85 degrees at the airport there. The dew point's kind of high, but that's due to your proximity to the water. These are your current temperatures. It's 94 in Simi Valley, 85 in Lancaster, 93 for Pasadena, Santa Ana, John Wayne Airport, 80 degrees there. Temecula, 93 and 68 in Big Bear. Got to head to the mountains if you want to cool off. Rancho Cucamonga, 97 degrees today. You're not getting relief tomorrow. It's still going to be 97, and usually when we get a light push from the ocean, the inland spots, you feel it the least on day 1 of cooling. So day 1 of cooling for you on Sunday is really only 3 degrees cooler, still 94 degrees. Here's what's going to change. The ridge of high pressure is already a little bit on the move, migrating to the north. It's a little bit weaker. It's the baby steps before it really weakens and then moves off to the east. When that happens, we get the flow from the ocean back and temperatures are going to fall, but that's not today and it's not tomorrow. A lot of sunshine today. Tomorrow morning there could be some coastal clouds, but look at the wind. It's still coming from the land. That's some places in the country you call it a land breeze. We call it an offshore flow, but it's a breeze not coming from the ocean. By late Saturday, it begins. By Sunday morning, now the wind is coming from the ocean. We call that an onshore flow, and that's why temperatures will be a little bit lower coming up on Sunday, but still in the 80s and 90s, just not as hot. The first day of cooling will be not that much. We'll continue to see cooling into next week. Here's what it looks like in number form for LA and Orange County, the metro area. 95 today, 92 tomorrow. We're down to 87 on Sunday, but still warm. 84 on Monday, 77 by Tuesday. Valleys, super hot today and tomorrow, not as hot on Sunday. We continue to cool down next week. Inland Empire, 97 today. You may even be hotter tomorrow. Cool down a few degrees on Sunday, 80s by Monday. And the high desert, you'll stay in the 90s all the way through the weekend into early next week. Amy, back to you.
KCAL News, more news than any other local station.
We're here when you want your news.
Here on KCAL at 9 and 10.
Then on CBS Los Angeles at 11.
KCAL News on CBS Los Angeles, tonight at 11.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.